So this is what the rooms look like in Camp Humphreys for quarantine barracks for the bigger size families of 4 and more. Let's go to a different one. Not that one. That one doesn't have at least the 4 beds, so they basically they're basically for the military folk, they're senior leader quarters, but this is what the room would look like. So it's basically like a suite almost. So you come in, they have 2 beds. Now you can reorganize this to however you please. So door, bed, living room area, the kitchen. They give you some drinks to start off. The problem is that there's never any water. It's a laundry room, which comes in very handy. Table or sitting area. Another bedroom. 2 beds. Some rooms have 2 full-size beds in them. Ours have 2 full-size beds. We are currently in the middle of moving out, so everybody's over there doing a bunch. Little closets, desk. And then you have a restroom. That really wraps up the room. But stay tuned and we'll give you guys some tips on if you're PCSing here on what to bring and what to expect during quarantine.